Hello students, I am Hitesh Harinamani. Many of you have been asking for theory on calendars and clocks. So what I'll be doing is I'll be creating recordings of 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and sharing those recordings with you. These recordings are for IMS students. Do not share these outside. So in this session, I'm going to start with theory of calendars. This is a very important topic for SNAP exam, NMAT exam, IIFT also almost every year asks a question on calendars. And then CET at the later stages in March, you'll have questions on calendars in CET. So let me start from absolute basic. If I say today is 3rd of October and let us say it is Monday. So when will I see the next Monday? If it is 3rd, the Monday, so I will have plus 7, 10th will be Monday, plus 7, 17th will be Monday, plus 7, 24th, and 31st. These all will be Mondays. Now, why are we adding 7 here? Because every seventh day has to be the same day. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So from here, if I add 7, I will jump to the next Monday. From Wednesday, if I add 7, I will jump to the next Wednesday. So calendars or days follow a cycle of 7. Every seventh day has to be same. Let us build upon this concept. If I tell you 3rd of October is Monday, think over this. What will be 23rd of the same month, October? So here, a reference has been given to you. A day and a date has been given to you as a reference. Then another date has been given to you. We want to know what day this is. So these questions are solved by finding out how many days have passed. Number of past days divided by 7. Whatever is left over is called odd days. It is also called shift days. So here from 3rd to 23rd, how many days have passed? Simply subtract them. Subtraction is 20. 20 days have passed. When I divide it by 7, try to understand 2 weeks are gone. 2 weeks are gone. I do not care for that. After 2 weeks are gone, there are 6 additional days. There are 6 days of shift. So if I was on Monday, the first shift will be Tuesday, second will be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So I'll have to perform 6 shifts from Monday to arrive on my answer, and the answer would be Sunday. 23rd of October would be Sunday. I can verify this for you here as well. See, 24th was Monday, so 23rd must have been a Sunday. What I want you to highlight here is this formula. Number of days passed divided by 7, the remainder is called odd days or shift days. Let me create some more examples. If I stick with the same idea, 3rd of October was Monday, can you find for me what will be 21st of December? Same year, same year. So here I want you to learn concepts and formulas. When you're jumping between months, October has 31 days. I'm on 3rd. So how many more days are for the month to end? What I'm asking for? Days for month to end. I have for you here 28 days. Now October month is gone. I will have to go through the entire month of November. November has 30 days. Now I'm on the date 21st. At the end, what do you apply? You are on what date? And you divide this by 7 to find out the shift. So look at this set of values. When I divide this by 7, do you understand? 21 is already a multiple of 7. 28 is already a multiple of 7. So the remainder I will get here is 2. That means this Monday will be shifted by 2 days. So if you shift Monday, the first shift is Tuesday, next shift is Wednesday. So this is going to be Wednesday. A reference has been given to you, that a date and a day has been given to you, and you want to find out what will be the next day or date. Look at the way of writing: days for the month to end, that is this month to end, and on what date. You have to be careful with these. Let me raise the bar a little bit. If I say I want to go from 3rd of October, which happens to be a Monday, I want to go to 27th of February next year. Whatever the year may be, let us say 2021, I want to go to 2022. So same process continues. How many days are there for the month to end? 28 days are there for the month to end. Then I will be going through the complete month of November. So November, 30 days. Then I'll be going through December, 31 days. Then I'll be going through January, that is 31 days. Now I'm on the 27th of February. So what I need to do is I need to divide these numbers by 7 and find out the remainder. So this is already a multiple. This will give me a remainder of 2, remainder of 3, remainder of 3, and this will give me a remainder of -1. I hope you have practiced negative remainders. So the addition here is 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 1, 7. So the numerator is a multiple of 7, remainder is 0. 0 remainder means there is no shift. If this is Monday, this will also be a Monday. Now, would it be better if I could remember these values? If I could remember how many days are there in a month and how much shift will be there. So let me do this for you. I hope you guys will be pausing the video to create or make notes. January month will always have 31 days. If you jump the entire January month, you will always have a shift of 3. February month could have 28 days or 29 days. So shift could be either 0 or 1. March month would always have 31 days, a shift of 3. April, 30 days, a shift of 2. May, 31 days, a shift of 3. June, 30 days, a shift of 2. July, 31 days, a shift of 3. Every time you go through the complete month of July, shift has to be 3. August, 31 days, shift of 3. September, 30 days, shift of 2. October, 31 days, shift of 3. November, 30 days, shift of 2. And December, 31 days, shift of 3. Furthermore, what if I have to perform a jump of entire year? I want you guys to first write down these values, try to memorize these. It will take hardly a minute or so. If I have to jump a complete year, a year could have 365 days if it is non-leap. A year, if it is a leap year, it could have 366 days. Complete year if I jump. So when you divide it by 7, there is one extra day. When you divide this by 7, there are 2 extra days. What that means is when you perform a jump, let us say 3rd of January 2021 to 3rd of January 2022, there will be a shift of 1 day. If I jump from from 1st of February 2019 to 2020, there will be a shift of 2. Whenever you cross an entire leap year, 2 will be added. Whenever you cross a non-leap year, there will be 1 added. Let me create a small example for you. If I am on 3rd of November 2017. And this is, let us say, Friday. This is, let us say, Friday. I want to find out what will be the day on, let us say, 7th of March 2022. Again, a reference has been given to you, this one, Friday, and a question has been framed. Now, I would prefer to perform jump of an entire year. So 2017 to 2018, if I perform one jump, none of these years is leap. So from November 3rd to November 3rd, I will shift one. I will shift one. Now, when I go to 20, be careful. I'll tell you the concept of leap years. When I go to the year 2020, I'm on the 3rd of November. That means I went through the February. You have crossed the February leap. So you have to plus 2. Whenever you cross a leap year, you have to add 2. Now, when I go to 21, I have got plus 1. Now, you have to be careful. I'm on the 3rd of November 2021. I have to go to the March month. I cannot have plus 1 year. Now, what I will do is I will end the month. November has 30 days. So here I'm on third day. So I have 27 days more to go. November is gone. October has how many days? 31 days. Shift is 3. December. Uh, December has 3 days. This is December. This is November. This is December. January has 31 days. Shift of 3. When I'm in the February of 2022 is not a leap year. February, there is no shift. Now this is January, this is February. Now I'm on the date of 7. So what I will do is I will divide all of this by 7 to find out the. So what is here? What is this? 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 27. 32. 32 upon 7. Remainder is minus 3. This minus 3 and this minus 3 can, this plus 3 cancels out. So basically this 7 is gone. So shift is basically 3. Some of you who have not practiced negative limit, it will require you, it will take you some time to reach this level. What I did is I found out the addition till this point was 32. 35 is a multiple. So remainder is minus 3. That minus 3 and this plus 3 are gone. This plus 3 and this minus 3 are cancelled. This 7 is also gone. So remains 3. 3 is the remainder. So you'll have to perform a shift of 3. So from Friday, first shift Saturday, second shift Sunday, and the third shift will be Monday. According to my reference, this day is supposed to be Monday. This day is Monday. Now, this was about jumping through years. Jumping through years. What if I want to jump for 15 years, 20 years, 30 years? So whenever you perform a jump of AB number of years, the shift is given by AB plus number of leap years. This is a very simple derivation. I can go into all of this and spend 8-9 minutes more on this, but I want you guys to learn through examples. If I say, I have a jump of 23 years, understand whether the year is leap or non-leap. You always have 1 year, 1 day for sure, jumping 1 day. Now, up to this, what are the multiples of 4? 20 is the last multiple. 20 is the fifth multiple of 4. There are 5 leap years up to this point. So if you jump 23 years, there are 5 leap years. So you'll add 5. So 23 years will offer you a shift of 28. Let me clarify this on this a little bit more. If I have, let us say 37 year ka jump. So every year there will be one extra day, 37. This is AB, this is AB. Now, what is the multiple of 4? You primarily count multiples of 4 to that point. So the largest multiple is 36, which is 9 into 4. So there have been 9 leap years in between. So you will have to add 9 here. So total 46 is the shift in the number of days. AB number of years will give me AB plus number of leap years as the shift days. What is this? Shift days, or also called as odd days. Let me raise the bar a little bit now. If you notice here, 2020, 1998, and 1996. If I say year 2000, year 1700, and if I say year 2100, these are called century years. For a century year to be leap, the divisibility rule is 400. Is it divisible by 400? No, it is not leap. Is this divisible by 400? No, it is not leap. Is this divisible by 400? Yes, this is a leap year. Now, if there are digits in the last two places, these are called non-century years. For non-century years, the rule is it divisible by 4? Is it a multiple of 4? Yes, it is leap. Is it a multiple of 4? Yes, it is leap. Is this a multiple of 4? No, it is not. This is how we test whether a year is leap or not. If it is a century year, we test it for 400. If it is a non-century year, we test it for divisibility by 4. Now, one thing I want you guys to copy down here, so we can end the theory and go to examples. If I have a jump of 100 years, it will always give me a shift of 5. If I have a jump of 200 years, it will give me a shift of 3. If I have a jump of 300 years, it will offer me a shift of 1. If I have a jump of 400 years, it offers me no shift. This is the basic theory of calendars. Now, if somebody says, find out, find out what was the day on 23rd of April 1980, some random number. No reference is given to you. You are purely trying to find out what is the day on the day 23rd April 1980. So, in calendars, we first find out what all things have gone by. If I'm in the year 1980, the number of years that have gone by is 1979 years. Calendars were designed as 1st of January year 0001. Then 2nd of January year 0001. So how many years have passed? 1979 years have passed. If I'm in the month of April, what months have passed? January has passed, February has passed, March has passed. Now I'm in the month of April. I'm on the date of 23. So what do we do further with this data? Please notice. I will break it down as multiples of 400 because every time there's a jump of 400, there is no extra shift. So the largest multiple is this. Now I look at the multiples of hundreds. The gap between 19 and 16, there is 300 more. Then there is 79 years more. This is what simply rewriting of the information. Now I will go for shifts. 1600 years offer me zero shift. Look at this. 300 years offer me a shift of plus 1. Now 79 offers me 79 days extra plus. Observe AB plus leaves. So what is the multiple of 7? What is the multiple of 4 that comes here? That is 79 is closest to 4 into 19, which is 76. There have been 19 leap years so far. Now month of January is in 1980. There are shift of 3. February month, this is a leap, guys. Please pay attention. This is a leap. 1980 is leap. So February gives you a shift of 1. March gives you a shift of 3 and 23 is the day you are on. Now here I am supposed to divide all of these values by 7 to get the answer. So work smart here. 77 is a multiple, 2 is extra. 14 is a multiple, 5 is extra. Do you see 2 and 5, they are 7? Remove them. Do you see 3, 1 and 3, 7? Remove them. So basically this 1 and this 23 is 24. 24 when divided by 7, the extra part is 3. In this case, when you're trying to find out the day without any kind of reference, here it will be the third day of the week. The first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, third day is Wednesday. So this date was a Wednesday. Let me repeat the process. You write down the number of years that have passed. You write down the number of months that have passed. You write down what day you are on. Then you break it down as multiple of 400, multiple of 100, and then AB plus leaves, and then break down these months, and at the end, that date. Let me solve one more question for you, then we'll end this session here. I'll share the recording with you guys. I want to find out what was 15th of August 1857. So let us speed up things. If I'm in the year 57, so 1856 years have passed. I'm in the month of August, so January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. These months have passed, have gone by. Now I'm on the 15th of August on the date. Now, how can I break it down further? What is the multiple of 400? 600. What is the multiple of 100? 200. How many years do I have? 56 years I have. I will further break it down. There is no shift. Every 400, there is no shift. For every 200, there is a shift of 3. Every 56, there is a shift of 56. And how many leaves have gone by? 56 itself is 4 into 14. So 14 leaves have gone by. Now, what do we have? January month. January month will always give me shift of 3. Now, 57 is not a leap. Whenever you are working with February, always pay attention to the year. It is a non-leap year. There is no shift. March is always 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, and I'm on the date of 15th. Now, I will be dividing all of this by 7. Be careful. 56 already is a multiple of 7. There is no shift here. There is no shift here. This is 3 to 3. 2, 3, 2, that is 7. Remove that. This is 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Remove that. There is no shift. There is no shift here. Now what I have is 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, the total shift is 6. Now when you're dealing with days here, this is supposed to be, this is going to be the 6th day of the week. First is Monday, second is Tuesday, third is Wednesday, fourth is Thursday, fifth is Friday, sixth must be Saturday. So you can Google this. 15th of August 1857 is what date. So I'm ending the session here. I hope you guys made some notes, learned a few tricks. If you come across any more calendar questions which cannot be solved with the concept that I've covered, WhatsApp me those questions. I'll make a small solution video and share with you guys. I'll be making more such videos so that you guys could cover the loopholes in your learning for other exams which are ADMATs, as the session name says, ADMAT sessions. And this is calendars we call Panchams. So this is Hitesh signing out. Share with your friends who are part of IMS family. Let them also learn. Have a good day, guys.